Yo, what's good, fellas? Coming at you with another video today, man. Another vlog, hooping with the boys. We actually got my boy Brian in the building today. Played a couple of 3v3s, man, some 2v2s. There's a lot of footage on here, but I am missing some of the footage that was airdropped to me. So you're not gonna see the full thing. Hopefully it's enough for you guys to enjoy. See you guys on the next one. Drop a like, hit that sub button. Let's go.
Boy, 5-4, we up. 5-4.
Nice. Nice. Ooh, let's go. Nice.
And there you guys have it, man. Sorry for the random finish, just cut out the blue. It's because my phone died, and then Cassandra had airdropped me the footage. She kept recording, but for some reason, it's not on my phone. And I'm just not gonna go through the mission, guys. I feel like the video's probably long enough, so that's good enough for this weekend. Next Sunday, we're probably gonna run it back. It's gonna be a month straight of hooping. So definitely, if you guys keep tuning in, I'm gonna keep uploading these videos. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. It's your boy, Decentric. I'm checking out.